Ladyzion, Sweethome, beautiful home, cooking and lifestyle.
Sweethome. We cook enjoyable, delicious meals with an experience that sets the standard. Yummy cooking and lifestyle. Ladyzion, Sweethome. Build a healthy community, one individual at a time.
We are the best, we're reliable, unbeatable. We are the best, we are tasted and trusted. We are the best, we are reliable, unbeatable. We are the best, we are tasted, unstoppable. Ladyzion, Sweethome, beautiful home, cooking a lifestyle, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, we're ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am Sweethome, beautiful home. Ladyzion, Sweethome, beautiful home, cooking a lifestyle, building a healthy community. That is all we do. One individual at a time, we're ready for you every day. Always at the service, we know that I am Sweethome.